Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. They say that it's not enough to have a single job in this current economy. That is why today we will share with you 10 income opportunities if you're looking for a side hustle. But this is the first half only. We split this video into a two-parter series since we want to elaborate on each of these opportunities. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Trade in Amazon. The number one purpose of any business is sales, right? Any business exists to sell a particular product or service. You cannot call something a business if it doesn't offer something to the people. The position of any business is just to sell. And Amazon is a platform where you can sell pretty much anything you want. You don't even have to manage your inventory because Amazon takes care of it. That is why Amazon is one of the leading companies globally today, because its platform is business-friendly. Now, have you ever heard of the Chinese version of Amazon? It's called Alibaba. The thing about Alibaba is that most of the products sold there are only for a fraction of what they usually cost in the US. You can also find anything there, from gadgets to accessories to clothes to everything else. So you see, we're going with this, right? Your job is to buy products of Alibaba for a lower price and then sell them for a higher price on Amazon. However, it's not easy because you don't know what is in demand. But you can figure that out after some market research. That's what every business does. They study the market and try to develop a product that's in demand. It's time-consuming, but totally worth it. You will have to spend endless hours finding the right products at the right price. That's how people make fortunes with Amazon. And it's not easy as it was in the past, since the competition gets tougher and tougher. But it is still a great side hustle. Number 2. Online tutoring. During a global pandemic, no one wants to pay these astronomical tuition fees while getting educated online. But whether we like it or not, moving to online education has begun, and this trend is only going to grow year by year. Most people's problem with online education is that they don't feel connected with their teachers. That makes the process a little ineffective. It's great when you're trying to reach a vast number of people, but on a personal level, most people want to feel that emotional connection, which is why online tutoring is rising these days. It was a bit difficult since the tutor had to come to your place in the past, but since online tutoring is getting accepted, you can easily make a lot of money as long as you're knowledgeable in either math, history, or science. There are millions of parents who will pay if you help their kids to learn faster. It's difficult to scale this business unless you create a platform or hire other tutors and start offering tutoring services on different subjects. Still, it's a perfect option if you don't have a lot of resources. Number 3. Crypto businesses. We get emails every day from scammers promoting shady crypto products. However, that doesn't mean there are no opportunities in this field. We believe that the blockchain age is starting to happen. Mark our words. 10 years from now, most people would say they wish they had started a business in this field. Once this technology is widely adopted, it will be too late to create something huge. So what kind of businesses can you start with blockchain? One perfect example is the healthcare sector. One of the biggest problems in this industry is storing patient information. Doctors usually need your medical history to diagnose your health accurately, right? If you use blockchain to store all that information, no one will have access to the patient's medical history without their permission. Even if you end up visiting another doctor in a different country, you can give that doctor access to your medical history. Blockchain can also avoid fake drugs in the market since it can safely track each drug from the supply chain. It will make it easier and faster to trace the origins of that drug. Store them safely, reduce the cost, and make the entire system much more effective. There are already a lot of startups in this field, but it's not widely adopted yet. Now is the best time to start a business in this field. Healthcare and the financial industries are the only two industries that can employ blockchain technology. But it's not limited to that. Blockchain could run our lives. You do not need a lot of money initially since most people don't understand how the system works. Spending some time on it will give you a competitive advantage. Number 4. Digital marketing. We will explain how you can make millions of dollars by starting a small digital marketing business. Don't worry, we're not going to sell you any course. We have friends who run such companies, and before writing the script, we talk to them. So you can get assurance that we're presenting you with the most accurate information. If you can help any business increase their sales, they're willing to pay. Simple as that. The higher the sales, the more they're willing to pay. And it doesn't matter what business. That's why companies spend a lot of money on marketing and branding, because it works. However, the system can be unfair sometimes because small companies do not have the resources to have an entire digital marketing team. So this is where you come into the picture. Let's say it's a corner shop in your town. Their only clients are the people who live around that place. If only more people knew about their products, they could double, triple, or even grow their sales by over 10 times. So what they should do is hire a marketer, specifically a digital marketer. Anyone can put ads on Facebook, YouTube, or AdSense, but not everyone can put effective ads. So that's what you have to learn to do. It's going to take some time to master the skill, and you might need to spend a few $100s testing different strategies until you learn what works and what doesn't. Any business owner would gladly work with you once you prove that you can put effective ads. Of course, anyone can learn to do digital marketing, but when you're the business owner, you don't have to do anything. You have an entire business to run and you don't have time for such things, so it's much cheaper just to hire someone good at that. It doesn't matter what will be the social media of tomorrow. The foundation of business and marketing is going to stay. Number 5. Start a fitness and wellness blog. With the rise of global pandemic, people pay much more attention to their health and turn to bloggers and vloggers who talk about fitness and health. This industry is growing so fast that even Apple launched dedicated fitness apps. You just know that it gets serious when Apple tries a new industry. You don't have to work out for a few years before getting into this business. Start your journey of getting into shape and share it with the world. It's even better because people love following others with whom they can relate. If you watch someone struggling at first, it makes it easier to start, right? If you inspire others to start working out or taking care of their health, they will forever be grateful and watch everything you post. Then you can begin the monetization and maybe even some sponsorship deals. That's our video for today. We hope you liked it. Watch out for part 2 of this series in the following video, where we will talk about 5 more side hustles. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.